Welcome back. We actually had a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms form earlier this evening to the north of Minot. They initiated around Mohall and Glenburn and moved up towards the Turtle Mountains, but have now dissipated. About 1/10 of an inch was reported at the Endon station near Bantry, but we're all looking out towards the west for a bigger moisture maker to take shape across the western states, traverse the Rockies, and come here into North Dakota over the weekend, which will bring us some rain, as well as drastically decrease our temperatures from the 80s tomorrow to highs only in the 50s by Sunday and beyond. Tomorrow's high temperature forecast in Minot is 85 degrees, which is just 2 degrees shy of a record of 87 set back in 1938. So we'll be on records watch for tomorrow. Pretty incredible here in early October. And again, that stripe of the greatest rain potential will be from Bismarck over to Devil's Lake. We're kind of riding the edge here in Minot with areas to the west of the Magic City not seeing as much rainfall. For example, Stanley and Bobo's only projected to have about 1/10 of an inch of rain, about 1/2 of an inch favored in Minot, and then areas southeast of Minot could see between 1 or 1.5 inches of rain, especially towards Harvey. But again, tomorrow is warm and dry. We'll start off in the 50s. We will have a few more clouds coming in here into northern North Dakota compared to the past couple of days. But as that cold front comes through after sunset tomorrow, that's when its effects will be felt. We'll have highs on Saturday only in the 60s and 70s, widespread cloud cover and increasing showers west of us. Most of the day on Saturday is dry, so if you have any outdoor plans, Saturday is the day to do them, because by Saturday night and into Sunday morning, we'll have that rain overspreading much of North Dakota. Strong winds out of the northwest as well behind the storm system that will then be tracking up to the northeast by Sunday afternoon as that rain comes to an end from west to east later in the day on Sunday. So overnight tonight, temperatures dip back into the 50s with a few increasing clouds. Highs tomorrow, though, still in the upper 70s and low to mid 80s. We'll have a breeze out of the southeast tomorrow between 10 and 25 miles per hour. Wind won't be too strong on Saturday. Again, most of the day on Saturday is dry, but then with the rain coming down on Sunday, the storm system intensifying, winds out of the north on Sunday will be upwards of 30 to 35 miles per hour. So certainly chillier and more raw conditions over the weekend with that rain and wind and these cooler temperatures. Temperatures on Saturday in the 60s. In fact, to the southeast of us, where there'll be warmer weather, there actually is the chance of 1 or 2 stronger storms, but not expecting that locally. Sunday's highs only in the 50s with that rain coming down, and then into next week, you have the chance of frost by next Monday morning. Could see freeze, even a hard freeze, by next Tuesday morning. So this big temperature drop is almost here, with the sunshine returning after the rain clears over the weekend, but the below normal temperatures will remain through most of next week.